What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the screenshots not working issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down this white circle, and when this circle gets green then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. Now after restarting your phone, the screenshot issue will be fixed, but if you are still facing the issue then try updating the phone's software. So for that, open settings, tap on about phone and tap on software version. Now it will automatically check for available updates. So if you have any update available, then update the phone software to the latest version, and after updating, the screenshot issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the screenshot issues. But if you are still facing the issue while taking screenshot, then turn on the alternative ways to take screenshots. So for that, open settings, scroll down and tap on additional settings, and then tap on gesture shortcuts. Now tap on take a screenshot, and from here you can enable slide with 3 fingers to take screenshot and volume down plus power button to take a screenshot. So after turning on these buttons, you can take screenshots with different ways. So that's how you can fix the screenshots not working issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.